Hello. Today we are going to make a small part on my homemade 5-axis milling machine. Here we have a round stock, and basically what we are going to make a 4-side chamfer. Here's the tool path we're going to do, 4-side chamfer, but we are going to use tool center point. So in this demonstration you will actually see the tool center point in action and how the tip of the tool will follow the part for all 4 operations. As you can see, the part is placed slightly offset from the center. That would not be possible without tool center point. So let's begin. We're going to shut down the door. We're going to turn the spindle on. We're going to turn coolant on. And we are going to run our G-cut. Here is the finished part, 4-side chamfer. The machine is a bit messy from the coolant and chips, but I used the coolant hose to wash the machine, so that's very cool option. I do hope you liked this simple demonstration of how tool center point works by machining this small part. If you do like, subscribe to my channel, there will be more videos, and thank you for watching.